A smoke hood is a piece of equipment that allows you to breathe as you escape from a smoke-filled building. There are different designs and they come in different packaging and casing, but in this video we're using the Draeger smoke hood that comes in a hard plastic case. These hoods are just used to escape through smoke and not used for any other use unless specified by the manufacturer. This smoke hood can be wall mounted or fixed to your belt. To open the case, unclip the plastic fixing on the top to release the mask. Once the hood is out of the case, open the gap at the bottom and place it over your head. Make sure you can breathe and get out of the building as quickly as possible. When you exit, hold onto the handrails and follow walls to make sure if visibility reduces or goes completely, you know where you are and you know where the exit is. Once clear of the smoke, remove the mask and breathe. These hoods are usually single use, so replace the hood with a new one unless the manufacturer advises differently.